say they are maintained this faith. Kabla when we were posted Shukuru Evans, naona watu wa Christ kumjoin around saa sita. So I'll be able to share with us the word of God and stand in the gap. And I really want to know that it is an opportunity for us to wa kanisa.
The inspiration comes from our constitution. The constitution gives us mandate for public participation. And public participation mainly on matters of economic planning. Anything that is being implemented starts from the plan. If your voice at the grassroots, the voice of Wanjiku, the voice of Boda Boda Mamamboga does not find itself in the plan, then it will not find itself in the budget. So this is the inspiration that we have to live the reality of this government, bottom up. Let's go to the bottom. The voices that are come from the bottom inform the policies, inform the decisions, and inform the budget.
Viongozi wote licha ya uko kwa chama gani lazima tushirikiane. Kwa hivyo nashukuru mjumbe na viongozi wote, na hivi sasa pia tunafanya kazi pamoja pia na kanisa na vijana pia tunajumuisha kwa mikutano zetu. Tunajua kuna vijana wetu ambao wako kwa sekta ya bodaboda, kuna wakati wanatumika kwa njia zisizofaa. Nafikiri tumefanya mikutano wiki kama 2 iliyopita na ile leadership ya bodaboda kule Stare, na tutaendeleza pia kwa hizi sub county zote ili tuweze kushirikiana, kwa sababu tunataka wakuwe part of ile community policing ya hizi sehemu zetu, ndio watusaidie wakuwe mstari wa mbele kuhakikisha kuwa sub county zetu zote kwenye region ya Nairobi iko usalama.
One of the things, apart from the development initiatives, one of the things they appreciate is that now the government is getting out of their offices, coming to the grassroots and being able to tell them what is happening and them asking questions. They are appreciating that because of this, the misinformation and disinformation is no longer what it used to be. And you'll appreciate during budget, the recent budget reading statement, the finance bill, there was a lot of propaganda. But because of these initiatives, people were able to ask questions. We are able to clarify what is there, what is not there. So that is one of the very positive feedback from Wananchi where we've got to.